G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a special property, 2 Watermans Way in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. There is a lot to take in with this home. It is essentially 2 homes. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. Keen anglers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which is the gateway to access the Great Sandy Straits and Gari, Fraser Island, along with the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You will also enjoy the convenience that comes with having Hervey Bays' essential amenities all only a short drive away, including the airport, shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, Hervey Bays' beautiful esplanade, cafés, restaurants and the beach. Positioned on a large 3,792 square metre corner allotment that is almost an acre, this quality brick and tile Hotondo home was completed in 2008 and has been well maintained and refurbished over time. Designed and custom built perfectly to suit dual living across the expansive 470 square metre single level floor plan. It will be ideal for those with a growing family or who have extended family living with them. It really is an exceptional living retreat, offering open and connected spaces that allow light and air to fill the home naturally. The vast open plan living and dining area does form the heart of the main home and includes the kitchen. The kitchen has been repainted and features loads of storage space and a pantry, plus there is an outside servery to the outdoor entertaining area, making it ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. There is also plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. Basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate is catered for with the fantastic alfresco outdoor entertaining area, which is all under the main roof. This is the ultimate space for relaxing at the end of each day and hosting those special family gatherings. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that sparkling in-ground pool. The main home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a vanity, shower and toilet, and you've also got direct access outside to the alfresco area as well. The bathroom includes a shower, bath and a separate powder room and toilet. The extra special features this home offers is a separate wing with a fully self-contained 2-bedroom unit. This will be ideal for those with extended family living with them, teenagers, and could also be let out to supplement your income. This unit includes an open plan dining and living area with a kitchenette off to the side, which includes a hot plate, range hood and a pantry. There are 2 bedrooms, both with ceiling fans, and one includes a built-in wardrobe, while the other one includes a large walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite. There is also a separate powder room with toilet, and this unit includes a large walk-in storage or linen cupboard and has its own fully screened outdoor entertaining area, along with an independent gas hot water service. The main home includes a walk-in linen cupboard and a large laundry with direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with a remote door and direct internal access into both the main home and the unit. This property also offers clear side access to the approximate 12 by 9 metre 3-bay shed with a high entry caravan or boat port to the side. There is also ample space to accommodate large RVs, boats, or add an additional shed if required. The energy conscious will appreciate the solar power system and 5,000 litre rainwater tank for watering those established gardens. Homes offering these features are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.